Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a video showing how to install Dazuma's vintage glass chandelier. The package includes one large bag of accessories. This includes one bag of small accessories containing 2 metal mounting rings, 2 mounting screws, and 2 screw caps, 1 metal mounting plate, 1 metal lid, 1 product high light bulb, 1 product lanyard head lamp system, 1 spherical glass lampshade. First, thread the power cord from the product's headlamp system through the top cover as shown here. Next, thread the round metal retaining ring from the small parts bag through. Then thread the hexagonal metal retaining ring from the small parts kit through the hole. And finally, tighten it securely. Place the product's mounting plate inside the electrical box where you plan to install the product. Then secure it using the 2 mountings, screws from the small hardware kit. Connect the product's power cord to your power source. Place the product lid on top. Insert the 2 mounting screws from the product's accessory kit into the holes on either side of the product's top cover. Remove the retaining ring located below the headlight assembly. Attach the spherical glass lens to the product, aligning the small holes in the lens with the screws at the bottom of the headlight. Finally, reinstall the headlight mounting ring that you just removed. Install the product's light bulb. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.